Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Sunday, March 19th. Tomorrow is the first day of spring, and I'm very excited for that to happen. But am I going to get too excited? Well, we're not going to take the cold frames down. I debated on whether even to open them up today. The wind laid pretty good. Sun feels pretty good. Although, it's supposed to be down to 34 tonight, and the way the forecast has been going, we still might have frost tonight. So I may have to cover these back up, but we're running the risk of cooking things. Honestly, there is a little more work to do in a winter garden. You have to make sure you cover and uncover. You don't want everything to cook, but you don't want anything to freeze. The mulch helps greatly, but you still have to keep that cold air off of the foliage. Right here where the arugula was touching the top of the mini greenhouse, it did freeze at the top. This was going to flower anyhow. Looks like some of the lower leaves are still pretty good. We'll trim this back and see what we keep. If you're new to my story, I started this because I didn't want to have to weed, and I didn't want to have to put chemicals on the garden. I stumbled across deep mulch. So what does deep mulch have to do with me sitting on a cold frame on the last day of winter? It's just possibilities. I thought folks might be interested in learning what I learned. By using the deep mulch, you keep the soil warmer, which allows you to extend your growing season. With the cold frame, you're able to garden and eat all winter long. Right here in the middle of America. You can do this too. It's just a little pre-planning. Most of this stuff is free. Yard clippings, leaves, wood chips. It's all around us. Instead of bagging it up and sending it to the landfill, I just pile it up on the garden. 4 inches thick or thicker, you're virtually weed free. And any weeds that do come up, they don't have a decent root system down in the soil. You just kick them out with your toe and it becomes more of the mulch. If I can come out here on the last day of winter, eat spinach right out of the garden, it's a win. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.